Hi, Dr. Heather here, and I want to give you some tips today on how to manage holiday stress in the category of food. There's so many comfort foods and tempting foods that are out there. So these are my 4 best tips for managing holiday foods so you can finish the year strong. First, make sure you fill yourself up with the healthy foods first. So if you're going to be going to an event that you know you're going to be tempted, eat before you go so you're full by the time you get there, and you'll have a much easier time resisting the things that you know are not good for you. And remember, that goes for in your house too. The battle is won at the register, right? Don't let it in the house. If it's in the house, you're going to eat it. You know you are. So the battle is won at the register. What you purchase and bring into the house is what's going to go into your body. So choose wisely there. And then the third one is don't drink your calories. Watch out for that, because many times people are putting a lot of sugary drinks in and they're not even counting it as a food that's going in. But there's lots of sugar and calories and toxins in some of these drinks, so don't drink your calories. And then finally, avoid the white stuff. Avoid the white stuff. It's white this time of the year, but avoid the white stuff as far as diet goes. So the white flour, the white sugar, avoid all of that kind of things. And remember that there are 3 good exchanges that you can make in grains, sweeteners, and oils. So instead of eating the gluten grains and the white food grains like white flour, look for the healthier grains like quinoa or wild rice or that sort of thing. When it comes to sweeteners, avoid the white cane sugar. Go for the maple syrup, the honey, the coconut palm sugar, the stevia. Those are healthier choices. And when it comes to oils, to exchange out the bad oils, the trans fat oils, the corn oil, the vegetable oil, the soybean oil, the canola oil, trade that out for the olive oil and the coconut oil. So those are my 4 best practices for managing stress this time of the year. And remember, you always want to go for the healthiest foods, which are going to be unlimited vegetables, plenty of lean meat, fish, and eggs, some fruit, nuts, and seeds, and no refined carbohydrates and sugar. That's my rule. That's how I'm going to finish the year strong. I hope you can join me and finish the year strong yourself. Share this with your friends and family so they can be healthier as the year ends too.